nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina, and tonight it is time to check out another security camera. This one is awesome because it is Wi-Fi and it is solar powered. I bought one of these a while back and decided to get a second one for a different area. They're great because regular security cameras, you still have to be within range of either a LAN cable or you have to at least have power. This one takes care of both those problems by having it all built in, which is really, really cool. Anyway, this model is DQ201 from K&F Concepts, and I will leave a link to where I found this thing. But let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. If it works half as good as the other one, well then it's going to work plenty good. Wow, the thickness of that manual. Pretty serious, huh? Oh, okay, multi-language. Okay, that makes more sense. I was going to say, this might take a couple days of learning curve here. But in English, we're looking at 32 pages of instructions on how this sets up. Very cool. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the rest of it. Here is our solar panel. Nice panel there. Curious to know how many watts that is, but nice long cord, so if you have to mount the camera someplace that's in the shade or under a building or whatnot, you have plenty of room to hook that up. And we got some kind of a sticker here. Not sure what that's for. Again, probably have to read the manual. Always helps to do that. Come on out of there. There we go. Here we are, two Wi-Fi antennas, right? Screws this into the screw that into the frame, and then I'm not going to force it, but there we go, right? Adjustable, so I can use my cell phone and remotely up, down, left, right this. Got lights, very cool. And down here, I bet this is probably where we put an SD card in. If I can get it open, which I'm not even bothered with that right now, but go ahead and set that aside. And then lastly in here, more cabling and mounting hardware. So there we go right there. Here's our hardware to mount. Looks like this is for mounting the solar, right? And then looks like a transfer cable, USB-C cable there. Nice long one too. All right, well, let's go set this thing up somewhere on the farm and let's check out how well it works. All right, here's a very inconspicuous installation, but it works well. I've got a good signal here. I've got the solar facing towards the west. I'm sorry, towards the south. And that's it. Let's go check it out on the phone. All right, this is it. We're back here. I've got the app loaded up here. And there we go. So here it is. You can see the chickens running around. Hopefully you can see the chickens running around. It is a nice picture. This is SD. I don't even have it on HD just because less data rate, you know, going through the wireless system. But a good way to keep an eye on stuff. And I might move it around some. This is just where I decided to put it up for right now, just because we're having some issues with predators. So this is a good way to keep an eye and figure out exactly what predator we need to keep an eye on. Really nice. I mean, you know, I don't know a video how well that's coming through, but really nice quality, no buffering really. So very happy with that. And you know, if you want to make an adjustment with it, you press that button there. And eventually it should, there it goes, there it moved, right? So that's how it operates. A little too far. Oh no. Yeah, let's turn it back. But it's pretty cool that you can do all that remotely. Yeah, I like that. Yep, there's a whole bunch up there milling about. Anyway, I guess that'll do it for today. Sorry if the quality of the camera on camera is not that great, but I don't really know how to copy that over. Pretty cool thing if you live in a house and you're worried about packages being you know, taken off your property this time of year, or if you live on a farm you want to keep an eye on stuff like that. Yeah, sure. It's a great way of doing so. Till next time, my friends, take care.